Samsung Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone mark the beginning of a new generation of mobile devices. This article will tell you everything you need to know about the three smartphones we haven't heard about yet in terms of design, screen, features, camera, performance and One UI. The Galaxy S22 series will be replaced by the Galaxy S23 and its Plus and Ultra variants. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will get a 200-megapixel main camera, and while you might have heard that more megapixel don't necessarily mean better quality, but in the world of pixel binning it's quite the opposite. Pixel binning can provide better low-light performance at the expense of image resolution. You probably don't need the 200-megapixel resolution images very often, but what if your camera could see better in the dark, cope better in bright light and produce clearer video? That's where pixel binning on the Galaxy S23 Ultra can help. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra camera sample shows how it stacks up against Pixel 7 Pro and the last Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Ice Universe has been busy offering up more details about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 series, with the main focus being once again on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and its camera capabilities. Not too long ago we reported about a photo comparison between the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the S22 Ultra, that showed off the superior zoom capabilities of the former over the latter, which should be expected between smartphone generations. This time around normal camera mode has been compared with the Google Pixel 7 Pro thrown into the mix. The Samsung Cat is back with another comparison, but this time in Pixel 7 Pro image has also been included to give us a better picture of how the Galaxy S23 Ultra fares against the two phones. The Pixel 7 Pro has lost to the Galaxy S23 Ultra in this particular comparison and it doesn't show the full picture, and it remains to be seen if Galaxy S23 Ultra's 200-megapixel units smaller pixels will make it lose to sensors with bigger pixels which can theoretically capture more light. The three new models might very possibly be released early in 2023 in January. This will be consistent with Qualcomm's pronouncements that its upcoming Snapdragon Summit conference will take place in mid-November rather than early December. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.